Just thought I would share a few words about what I think of the AeroGarden. It's the perfect gift for gardeners who want to start seeds indoors. It allows them to grow seeds indoors any time of year.
All right, my loves, so I just got in my AeroGarden in the mail today.
I think the AeroGarden's design is really nice. It just looks so cool.
The AeroGarden is so easy to use, it basically takes care of itself.
My absolute favorite thing about the AeroGarden is how easy it is to set up. All you have to do is pop these pods into the device, fill it up with water up to the line, add plant food, plug it in, and you are ready to get going and growing.
I love that the AeroGarden allows me to feed my family fresh, healthy foods with fresh ingredients. It also allows you to grow vegetables any time of year that you normally wouldn't be able to grow outside. Lettuce in the summer, tomatoes in the winter, baby.
It took like less than 5 minutes, so far so good.
Look, they're coming out.
I have all my herbs ready, the water in here.
Even my indoor plants love light. It makes gardening so super easy.